Alright folks, here we are at 2143 Spring Blossom Lane here in Turlock. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath home in a 55 and over senior community. Let's go check out the interior. As you can tell, you got a quiet community. Let's go check out the inside of the home. So right here you got a nice front patio. Alright, and then right as you walk inside here, you have the living room. Here you got some blinds and windows, which is nice. You got a ceiling fan. Through this way we do have the first bedroom. Brand new carpet was just installed in here. New paint. I'm going to swing around this way. You do have a closet. Pretty big closet area there. Alright, back through the hallway here. You do have a laundry dryer, or washer dryer hookup right here. Got a couple cabinets right above there for additional storage. Or whatever else you need that for. Back up this way, we'll check out that bathroom here in a moment. Out this door is the garage. There's a 2-car garage. Keep in mind, so there are some items in here that are going to be hauled away. Obviously there's the cans with some other miscellaneous items that are not going to be present here shortly. Swing back this way, we do have cabinets over here, as well as the furnace and the water heater and all that good stuff here. But yeah, let's go back inside and check out the first bathroom here. So this bathroom has got your sink vanity, you've got your toilet, as well as your tub and a shower all in one. That's the first bathroom. There's a master bathroom as well. We'll go check out that area last. After this, we're gonna go check out the kitchen, as well as the dining area and the backyard here. So this is the dining area, got a fireplace there. Nice wide open space. Do you have cutouts from the hallway here? Kind of cool. There's got the sliders to the backyard, and there's the kitchen. Kitchen comes with all the appliances besides the fridge. There's space right here for the fridge to go in. You got your cabinets, you got the sink, dishwasher, your stove and your oven and the microwave as well. Alright, let's go check out the backyard real quick. Backyard, you come out here. A little bit of space. The side of the yard here. It's the backyard here. Alright, and we'll go back inside here. And we'll go to the hallway here. The hall, there is a closet right here. Hall closet. Does have one of those old-fashioned ceiling kind of vents that you can kind of utilize and have the outside air just flow through your home. I know some of these older homes have those, or even homes in general have those. Not every home does, but it also gives you another option, kind of to have some fresh air come through the house. If it's cooling down at night during the winter, you can have some fresh air come through. But yeah, so this is the hallway. Let me not forget the cabinetry in here. Got some cabinets for some towel storage or just general storage there. Alright, and then we go back through this way, and this is going to be the master bedroom here. Brand new carpets like the first room. And then on this side, going through this way, we do kind of have like almost 2 closets. So there's kind of one cut out here. And then on this other side, it does have another closet space. This one does have the sliding glass, or sliding mirror doors, pardon me. These are always kind of dandy to have. Alright, and then through this way we do have the master bathroom. So it's got the dual sink, a bunch of cabinet space, as well as some lights above there. Going over this way, it does have a separated kind of toilet area. It doesn't have a door, unfortunately, for privacy, but it does have its own kind of space over there in the corner. There's a couple cabinets above there for some towels, other miscellaneous items that you need there. And then right here behind the door, we do have the shower. So the shower's got the doors there, and then that's it. So that is right here in the master here. Going back through this way, I think that's it for this property, guys. Thanks for checking it out. If you guys need some additional information, like I said, this is 2143 Spring Blossom Lane here in Turlock. This is a 55 and over senior community. Keep that in mind when applying or looking at this property. If you need additional information, this is going to be on our website, newbridgemanagement.com, or you can call the office 209-668-6700 if you need any additional information. As always, thanks for stopping in, guys, and I hope you enjoyed.